Is that chewing gum on your mouth? Throw it away. You can't be palm between chewing gum. Oboy and Atagon.
These girls are more dangerous than guns.
So I'm asking you to give me small time. Just small time. Small time.
What are you looking at? Where's the gate?
Who is the moron?
Oh, you're in the bus.
How dare you? How dare you lay your pretty hands on me?
Okay, please, you got time before I call the police. Are you mad?
You can't be in my house and be wearing that cap. Nobody can use you.
My junior brother sent me to go and buy a condom. No, now.
He's not going to sleep on this bed. This time, it's my turn.
Like I see your brother and say, I want to marry you yourself.
Oh, hello.
Come on, sit down,
See machine. Lexus, machine.
Hey. Yeah. Hanlele. This is not why you are here. Hanlele.
Sorry.
Go back. It's already I'm no.
See, you see the way you carry women. You don't even consider your brother where they get. Even if not one of them, just give me. At least let them be warming my bed at night. You
this is the reason you are poor.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
I didn't want to tell you what I will tell you now before your girl. But Oga, I think you're in trouble.
It is your forefathers that are in trouble. Stop getting on my nerves. You bought condom for me. That means I've been busy. So let me rest.
By the time I finish telling you what I want to tell you now, we will know whether it is the condom you'll be worried about or something else. I saw Okoisi. And he told me everything. Yes, he told me everything that transpired between the two of you. How you made your first fast money. No, I've seen it now. Mr. Hardworker. Well done.
Are you for real?
I'm for fake. In fact, you know, you're even lucky. Just one thing made me change my mind because he pressured me to give him your address. But for some reason, I did not do that.
You must not do that. On no account, no matter what, he must not know where I stay.
No.
Please.
I will. Yes. Since I came here, since I started living with you, have you been treating me well? No, I'm begging. Since I'm going to Gateman, he sent me to the gate.
Listen, blood is thicker than water. You must not tell him my whereabouts, okay?
Blood is thicker than water, ego. When the ego didn't involve, forget blood and thicker than water. Now water can be thicker than blood, ego didn't involve.